What's up, guys? Trev here, and today, well, I have a ton of stuff out here. I've recorded like 2 other videos in this session, but I am taking a look at the first recolor for Hot Wheels Elite 64. It is the Liberty Walk Lamborghini Aventador LP 700-4. Its casting came out 2023. I actually have the first edition here. Looks pretty good in blue. It was very popular. I think it took a few weeks to sell out though, but it was very nice. And we have a second release of it. So I'm going to just open it up, take a look. There are more Elite 64 recolors coming. I think the 300 SL is getting another release, and the Porsche, I think it's the 993. That one's going to be quite popular. That one's got a really nice deco on it. I don't know if this is still available. I believe it is. It's probably got a high stock count. So Elite 64 is like Hot Wheels Ultra Premium line. So you're going to get, instead of like a normal Hot Wheel where maybe you have exaggerated features and modification, this is quite true to scale. You're going to have a lot of uniquely tooled parts. You're usually going to get, you pretty much are going to get uniquely tooled wheels, high levels of detail, etc., etc. So this, of course, it's going to have the same wheel as this guy. And yeah, second release of it. It is in like an army green. It's a matte green. It's actually quite an interesting color there, excuse me. We have the Liberty Walk Performance there. These are actual tampos too. So whereas a Hot Wheel Premium, a lot of the times you get this sort of slightly grainy look for graphics, these are quite clear. Imagine all the people living life in peace. I would like to imagine that. You have danger on the front there. Have this sort of white stripe going on in the back. A fighter's work. And then that is a very faint pink text that I cannot read. Wait, no, it says it here. No, I still can't read that. License plate there. It says Liberty Walk Performance. You have the taillights, which I think are inserted details, but they are tampoed over, so I couldn't tell you, but I believe they're inserted details. Here's the top. You have the window detailed, or the printing on the windshield. LBR Fighters Works. You actually have like a carbon fiber detailed wing here, or spoiler. This one does not have that. This one does. And then you have a carbon fiber looking hood. Then you have the headlights, which I believe are inserted details, and the Lamborghini badge. This thing looks really nice. I love the green. I love the deco they did with this. It looks really sweet. But this casting has some features. For one, the wing here, or well, that's not what I meant to do. The back here is removed. Well, you can see the whole back is removable, but the wing is also, gosh, this thing is in tight. I don't want to break it. Okay, I got it off. All right, let's redo it. So you can take the wing off so you can have sort of a more cleaner silhouette. Get a better look there at the back. You can see where it slots in. And as you saw, the rear here does come off as well. Goodbye. You can see the exhaust there, all printed in silver. You can see those. Would those be the turbochargers or something? Maybe. All right. One more thing. I'm going to break everyone's heart by using the wing to do this. The back does come off. So it's a bit of a clear plastic piece, and this comes off so you can see the engine in there. I am curious, does this have more engine detail than the last one, or is it the same? Hold on. Let me do some science. It's fine. It fell on the ground. It's okay. I'm going to leave that one with over there. Let me look at the engine details. They look about the same. Yeah, they're the same. So you get the same engine details as the last release. It is quite detailed. You can see the Lamborghini engine in there. See all the inner workings. It's actually quite nice looking, pretty well detailed. So you can kind of have this sort of, I guess, Mad Max taken apart version. And yeah, separate pieces for the mirrors, which, do they have the silver print on them? Yes, they do. So you get separate mirror pieces that also have a bit of a silver print. There is kind of a bit of a Yeah, there's some flashing there, actually, right there. You can see, I think that's either plastic flashing. You're probably going to hate me for using the grill to try and see what, or the wing to see what this is, but I am curious. I don't know if that's glue or if that's flashing. Oh, I think it actually is glue. Look at that. Look around the mirror. You can actually kind of see some residue. So I think this one just has a lot of glue in it. And this one's clean. So this one's got a lot of glue in that mirror. I could maybe try and clean that up, but with a matte clear coat, it's a bit risky. See if there's any interior detail. I don't know. Is there any interior detail? Oh, there actually is. Oh, we're not going to be able to see it really. There's a little bit of detail in there. You can see there's some silver printing there in the middle, kind of where the gauges are maybe, or the center console area. Did this version have that? Oh yeah, it did. So in terms of details, I think this release is the same as this in terms of levels of detail. It's just a different color. And yeah, let me know, what do you prefer? Do you prefer the blue or the green? I actually like both of them. I don't know if I prefer one over the other. I think this one's got a little more in terms of deco, and I might like it more. But they're both good. This is a really good recolor. There's some good stuff coming down the pipe in Elite 6.4, so I'm excited to see what comes out next, especially that Porsche. That's going to be crazy. Yeah, really good release. I dig it. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Do you like this one more or less than the other one? I think it's quite good. Other than that little thing with the mirror, this thing is very good looking and is quite nice. Yeah, good release. Very good release.